Since Grand Seiko left the safety of their home back in Japan, they decided to conquer the world, and people have been comparing them to Rolex. Both brands have a strong reputation for producing high-quality, reliable watches. Each brand is known for creating the majority of their components in-house. Rolex and Grand Seiko watches are admired for their attention to detail, meticulous finishing, and precision engineering. Both have iconic design elements that are instantly recognizable, such as Rolex's fluted bezel and the Grand Seiko's highly polished Zaratsu finishing. Both are considered luxury brands, and their watches are symbols of success and personal achievement. Even though there are similarities between each brand, they also have distinct qualities and history that set them apart in the watchmaking world. Let's start with Rolex. Everyone wants a Rolex. They always say Rolex is Rolex when talking about the best watches, which is just ridiculous to me. Rolex has been the "you made it" watch since forever, the one that you get when you get a promotion at work or when your son or daughter is born. But why is this? Why has a watch brand become one of the most successful and desired things in the world? Rolex's success and popularity can be attributed to several factors. First, heritage. Rolex has been synonymous with luxury timepieces since its creation in 1905. Its rich history and consistent focus on quality have established it as a symbol of status and prestige. Number 2. Innovation. Rolex has a history of innovation in the watchmaking industry, including the development of the first waterproof wristwatch with the oyster case, which some people would argue that Blancpain made it first. I don't know, but let's just leave it at that. And then the creation of the perpetual rotor, a self-winding mechanism. Such innovations have set the company apart from competitors. Number 3. Their quality. Rolex watches are known for their exceptional build, quality, and durability. They are meticulously assembled and tested, and they are crafted using the most high-quality materials. Number 4. Their iconic designs. Watches like the Submariner, the Daytona, they just are instantly recognizable. They have classic designs that have remained popular throughout the years. Number 5, and this could be the biggest one yet, the scarcity and exclusivity. Rolex has masterfully managed supply and demand, creating a sense of scarcity, which in turn adds to the desirability of their watches. Waiting lists for new Rolex models can create a perception of exclusivity. The brand has also been associated with influential figures and celebrities throughout history, from explorers to athletes to movie stars, which helps maintain its image of luxury and achievement. Reason number 7 is also one of the biggest, which is Rolex's marketing. They are always in the most important sporting events. Everything they do is basically perfect. Number 8. Their value. Rolex watches are known to retain their value over time, and some models even appreciate, making them a big form of investment. In summary, Rolex's mix of heritage, quality, innovation, design excellence, effective marketing, and exclusivity contribute to its status as a premier luxury watch brand. But, of course, as we said before, there is another contender in town. Grand Seiko's rise in popularity and success in recent years has been humongous and can be attributed to several factors. First, their craftsmanship. Grand Seiko is renowned for its incredible level of craftsmanship. Watches are produced with a meticulous attention to detail, often by hand, and made by master watchmakers known as Takumi. Number 2. Quality. The brand is known for its high-quality materials and building practices. It uses unique and advanced technologies, like the spring drive movement, which is exclusive to Seiko, offering unparalleled precision, or the new 9SC5 movement, which just surpassed every Swiss movement made before. Number 3. Their design. Grand Seiko watches are recognized for their elegant and timeless design. They feature the distinctive Grand Seiko style, a set of design principles that reflect Japanese aesthetics and craftsmanship. Number 4. Their value proposition. Compared to most luxury watch brands, Grand Seiko offers a competitive price point that can provide consumers with a high value proposition, considering the quality and craftsmanship of the timepieces. While Grand Seiko has been a respected name in Japan for many years, it has only increased its focus on the international market, introducing its products to a broader audience. Grand Seiko also often release limited edition watches which can create buzz and drive collectors' interest. These limited runs also enhance perception of exclusivity and uniqueness. Now, this next reason may be one of the biggest: a trustworthy brand. Seiko, the parent company of Grand Seiko, has a long-standing reputation for producing quality timepieces at various price levels, and this trust in the brand extends to the Grand Seiko line. In essence, Grand Seiko has successfully positioned itself as a brand offering luxury watches with exceptional craftsmanship and unique technology at a competitive price. And its increased outreach to the global market has been met with strong interest from watch enthusiasts. Now, choosing between Rolex and Grand Seiko depends on various factors such as your budget, your personal taste, your brand perception, and what you value in a watch. In summary, choose Rolex if you're looking for an iconic luxury watch with a widely recognized brand, excellent durability, and strong potential for investment. Now, choose Grand Seiko if you're interested in superb craftsmanship, high value for the price, understated elegance, and innovative watchmaking technology. Ultimately, the better watch will depend on the qualities that matter most to you, the wearer. Both brands have an excellent reputation, but they cater to different tastes and perceptions of value in the horological world. Let me know in the comments down below which brand would you choose.